Taimur Ali Khan has been spending time with mommy Kareena and father Saif in the beautiful hill stations of North India. Kareena Kapoor Khan recently shared pictures and videos of Taimur and her taking pottery classes, and they were trolled by some of the fans. Reacting to these negative comments and trolls, Saif Ali Khan has now said that he sympathizes with these people who must be stuck in small apartments in big cities. Saif Ali Khan is currently busy shooting for his movie Bhoot Police with Arjun Kapoor, Jacqueline Fernandez, and Yamini Gupta. Bebo, who was recently finishing her shooting for her movie Lal Singh Chadda, and her chat show is enjoying quality time with Saif and Taimur before the arrival of her second baby. What's new in B-Town? Indu Ki Jawani star Kiara Advani has signaled again that Siddharth Malhotra is special to her. In a recent interaction, Kiara Advani was asked what if Siddharth Malhotra was found on a dating app and what will his bio be. She blushed and gave a reply which won many hearts over the internet. She stated she won't let him be on a dating app. Kiara Advani's co-star Malaika also found this as a witty reply and jokingly said, "She stumped you." Recently, Akshay Kumar has also teased Kiara Advani on the show hosted by Kapil Sharma. He was mocking her with Siddharth Malhotra's name and she was seen blushing again and again. Siddharth Malhotra has also reacted to the trailer of Kiara's movie Indu Ki Jawani, which went viral on social media. He mentioned, "Indu from Ghaziabad looks fire. See you guys on 11 December. They are not only a rumored couple, but would be seen together in their upcoming project, Shisha." Alia Bhatt has confessed that she has been facing a lot of hate in recent times, and she says we would show kindness to each other. Kangana Ranaut wishes her sister Rangoli on social media a very happy birthday, revealed that she gifted an adorable puppy to Rangoli. After showing her glamorous avatar in Hile Toot Gayi, Kiara Advani goes retro as she shared a picture with Aditya Seal, who is the lead actor in their upcoming movie Indu Ki Jawani. Dobu Ratnani has started shooting for his New Year's calendar and he shared behind the scenes footage with John Abraham. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput was the most searched person in 2020 according to Yahoo's search, followed by PM Narendra Modi and Riya Chakrabarti. Sunny Deol tested positive for coronavirus and shared this news with his fans on social media. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas shared pictures and wished each other a happy wedding anniversary. Ranveer Singh was once again spotted with his wife, Deepika Padukone, as she is currently shooting in Alibag. Shakti Kapoor revealed that he wanted to be a part of David Dhawan's Coolie Number 1. Bollywood diva Katrina Kaif is the most successful actress of her generation. When it comes to technology, she seems to have her struggles with it, just like all of us during the pandemic. The pandemic outbreak has forced people to move into digital platform for work, studies and surfacing social media. B-Town has also taken the support of technology to stay connected to each other or running their businesses or film promotions digitally. Katrina Kaif has unique ways of utilizing technology. She can be seen promoting her cooking skills, making an egg omelette with her sister Isabel, and sharing the same over social media. The two can be seen getting candid, where she is cleaning the house and handling other household chores. She is seen delivering an important message to her fans regarding self-isolation in the lockdown period, along with the cleaning of utensils. She has adopted the new normal, but the actor has shared the hilarious candid video to show that it does not matter if she's stylish diva, but she's a raw player when it comes to technology. She has called herself a noob and has spoken about her struggles with technology along with detailed step-by-step explanation of what happens during her video interviews. Is the old romance coming back to Bollywood? Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif have been sharing a good bond for a long time in this industry. Now Salman Khan is gelling up with Katrina Kaif's sister Isabel. He was seen praising Isabel over the internet. He wrote something special for her which he generally doesn't do for anyone. Not only he praised her for her looks, but also gave her his best wishes. Isabella shared her recent launched music video and she was praised heavily for this. Salman Khan wrote, "Arey wah Isabella, lovely song and you're looking good. Many congratulations," titled MashaAllah. The song has been composed and performed by Deep Money. Well, not only this, but Salman has also promised Katrina that he will help and support Isabella Kaif in building her career in the industry. Comedian Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh were arrested by the NCB, the Narcotic Control Bureau, in the drug case has created an environment of stress in the stand-up comedy industry. While many of their colleagues have been extended support, Raju Srivastav is of the few who strongly criticized Bharti Singh. This has led to a war of words between him and Krishna Abhishek. There were also rumors of Bharti Singh being dropped from Kapil Sharma's show. Krishna Abhishek and Kiku Sharda have, however, refuted such rumors. While Krishna came in support of Bharti Singh, Raju Srivastav has slammed Krishna for supporting her. Singer, actor and TV host Aditya Narayan recently got married in an intimate wedding ceremony with his longtime girlfriend Shweta Agarwal. He recently made a shocking revelation and opened about the wardrobe malfunction that happened to him during the wedding. Aditya had to wear his friend's pajama as his tour during the Varmala ceremony. In his first interview after the wedding, he spilled the secrets post his marriage life. Aditya revealed how he bought a new 5 BHK 3 buildings away from his folks and they are moving in 3 to 4 months from now. Aditya also revealed that he was going on a 3 mini honeymoons to Shimli, Sula Vineyards and Gulmarg with his wife Shweta. We are also available on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter where we post a lot of interesting content and it's just for you. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel also called as Qatar Day. With that, do not remember to check out our other channel called qatarday.com. And with this, I will see you guys again with lots and lots of Chatpati Baate every Friday at 6 p.m. on Qatar Day. Do not forget to meet me here every week. Until then, bye and take care. Khuda Hafiz.